Hi, today I want to talk to you about avocados, also known as alligator pear, because it kind of looks like a pear and the skin looks like an alligator. So we're going to talk about this today. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, such as vitamin K, C, E, they have folate. They actually have more potassium than a banana. Avocados are also high in fiber. They usually have between 11 to 13 grams per size, depending on the size of the avocado you have. Avocados are great because that fiber, one, it helps you to feel fuller longer. It's going to help with your weight loss. And it also helps to regulate blood sugar. So you're, avoiding those blood sugar spikes, which is really great for everybody. And the fiber in here is super good for digestion. So it feeds all those good microbiomes, all that good gut bacteria. So we really want to add a lot of fiber in our diet. For women, we need about 25 grams a day, and men, it's about 30 grams. And most of us don't get enough. So today I'm going to show you how to open an avocado and slice it because I had a gal ask me how to do that. So I thought I'd do this video to show her. But I'm also going to show you how to use it. We're going to make a little bit of guacamole and I made a pudding. So I'm going to tell you about that as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here at the top and I'm going to just cut this avocado in half. And the way you know if you got a good avocado is if you just put your thumb in and it just gives a little bit. Perfect. So now, because avocados oxidize, meaning they turn brown when air gets to them, I use a plastic spoon. So I'm going to show you a couple different things. First, I'm going to show you how to slice it. Now, this is a great little device that I got at Walmart. So it slices on one end and it mashes on the other. So I'm just going to start here at the base of it. And this works a little bit better when it's a pretty, when it's not too mushy, but you don't want it too hard either because it's plastic and it's hard to get through it. So this looks pretty good. So we've got some nice slices here. I like the slices because you can add those to sandwiches, burgers, wraps, anything like that. Now, if you can also take and dice it up, and yes, I am using a metal spoon. I was going to use plastic, but I forgot to bring one out. So you can dice it up as well and have smaller pieces. Now, I like to use the smaller pieces for salads, stews, things like that. Or if I'm topping it on top of my eggs. So that's how you do that. I'm going to take this. Now, you got to be careful with this. It's probably better to use a towel so you don't accidentally hit your hand with this knife. You're just going to twist, put that knife in there, give it a little twist, and then your seed comes right out. So I'm going to use my spoon, and I'm just going to scoop this out because what we're going to do today is make guacamole. So with guacamole, I just mash it up. And I'm going to show you how to use this really cool tool. I love it. I think it's fun. So we're going to scrape all that out. And I've got another avocado. We're just going to do the same thing. And I like avocados because they are heart healthy. They help to lower your LDL, which is the lousy cholesterol. It also helps to lower your triglycerides. And it actually increases your HDL, which is your happy cholesterol, happy levels. That's what we want. Okay, so we're going to scoop this out. They're also full of a lot of antioxidants, which are really great for your eyes. So they have lutein and zeaxanthin, which, again, like I said, are really great for your eyes. It reduces the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. So avocados really are amazing. They also are anti-inflammatory because it's got the vitamin E in it. Like I said, vitamin E is really great to fight against inflammation, which is good for, arthritis, got many gut issues. So we really need avocados. It's a good healthy fat. Okay, we're going to scoop the rest of this out. So you see, this is super quick. It'd be a lot quicker if I wasn't talking, but we need to show you how to do this. All right. Now, I told you how to choose a good one. You want to make sure that your thumb just kind of goes into it just a little bit. Showed you how to cut it, and now we're going to show you how to use it. So I'm going to take this end of my masher, and I'm just going to mash this avocado. Now, when I was getting ready to do this, I realized I ran out of limes. Now, I like to do limes in my guacamole because I like the limey flavor. So what I've done is I got some lime essential oil, and I'm going to add that to my guacamole. But I'm also going to add the juice of half a lemon because the citrus fruit, the juice actually helps to decrease the oxidization. Not that it lasts long around my house because I eat guacamole like crazy. So, all right. Now, like I said, I'm going to take a few drops of my lime essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like mine really limey. You can do what you like. And I'm going to cut my lemon. I've already rolled it so you can get more juice out of it. I'm actually going to wipe this knife off because I'm going to do another video here in a minute with fruit salad. And I'm going to save this other part of the lemon for my fruit salad. So I got this great little juicer or hand juicer, and it is by Zulay, Z-U-L-A-Y. I love it. It's stainless steel. It's really heavy duty. It doesn't have any coating on it, so you don't have to worry about any paint or anything like that flaking off. So I'm just going to stick that in there, squeeze that right over my avocado, and voila, that is done. So now, just cleaning up here just a touch. Next, I'm going to add some tomatoes. Now, this is a half a cup of tomatoes. I like a lot of tomatoes in mine. And then I'm going to take some cilantro. You can add a lot or a little. I just took whatever I had that was nice and fresh. And then, of course, I'm going to add just a touch of salt and just a touch of pepper. And again, this is really to your own liking, whatever you like. And then last but not least, I've got some garlic here. So I've got my trusted little garlic press. This is from Pampered Chef. I love this thing. It's amazing. You just pop that garlic in there, and it takes a little bit of muscle sometimes. And then you just squeeze that in. All right. Now I'm going to use the same spoon I used earlier to get the avocado out of the peeling. And just stir this up. Now, this is a really great, snack. You can dip your vegetables in it. You could get some sprouted whole grain chips. There's lots of things you can do with your guacamole. I like the avocados on toast with a little bit of egg or just with the egg alone. You can add it to salads. Like I said earlier, you can do smoothies. You can put them in brownies. But I also, today, I tried something new. I made pudding. So there's our guacamole. Oh, smells wonderful. I'm not going to try it now, but I eat it all the time. I know it tastes yummy. But I did make a chocolate mousse. So if you like dark chocolate, not everybody does, but if you like dark chocolate, this is the dessert for you. I took 1 avocado, and I adapted the recipe. Actually, I just kind of cut it in half. It was a Dr. Travis recipe I got off Pinterest on how to make a dark chocolate mousse. But it takes avocado, some local honey, raw and filtered preferably, a little bit of vanilla. I make mine homemade and just reuse my jars. I should do a video on that. You guys probably like that. And then a little bit of cocoa powder. And so I just mixed that up. It did have a little bit of milk in it. You can use almond milk or, raw cow's milk, whatever you like. But this is pretty yummy. I had a few friends try it earlier and they loved it. So if you're a big fan of dark chocolate, this is the way to go. So hopefully you have found this helpful. And if you would like to connect or get some more inspirations or tips, check out my Digestive Wellness for Moms Facebook group. and there will be a link to this at the bottom of this video. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked what you saw today, please like and subscribe and or share depending on where you're watching this. And if you have any ideas of videos that you would like for me to do, maybe something, that would be helpful for you to learn, just put it in the comments or let me know. I'd be more than happy to do a video for you. Thanks. Have a great day.